How to enable or disable picture-in-picture mode on Samsung A27. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Apps. After click on Apps, click on this three-dot icon and click on Special Access. After click on Special Access, scroll down and click on Picture-in-Picture. If you want to disable picture-in-picture app, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, picture-in-picture is disabled. If you want to enable picture-in-picture, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, picture-in-picture is enabled. You will enable or disable picture-in-picture from here. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.